Hello everyone, welcome to JAD Auto 247 Services. Today we'll be working on a Highlander 2012 model. There is a loud noise from the steering system. Now let me pause the video and explain this to you. You know, on heavy cars, on every vehicle that use EPS, electrical power steering, or electronic power steering, you have this noise that comes out from the steering as if the suspension is not good. You understand? It makes noise whenever you're driving on a smooth road or on a rough road. You understand? So the same problem is what we're having on this car, which we want to fix. One, remove the door seal scuff plastic. 2, remove the steering wheel under plastic. 3, remove the wheel on pad. 4, this has been loose before, now we need to remove it. This is the new airbag. Now, it is time to remove the wheel steering. Now that the steering wheel is out, we need to remove the steering wheel cover. Then remove the on control. You need to be careful when removing this because a lot of wire are attached to it. Remove the blinker and light control switch, lever.